All right, so today I'm here. We're gonna start this Raptor project, but I'm at Off-Road Toys South Atlanta in Jonesboro, and Donald, pretty much he can do lifts, swaps, axles, gears, maintenance, anything for your Jeep. But this is gonna be how I Raptor line this Jeep. But if you have any questions, I will link his phone number and information on the bottom. You check him out. He's definitely helped me out with the JKU and the Gladiator build, and he's got all the equipment and tools you would need. Hey, so the most important part to this project is really preparation and taking your time on removing things, decals, stickers, all that. Preparation is going to be key. Make sure to check out the description for the exact product I use. So day one, all I got done was just bumper and grill, fender flare, and be back tomorrow. Take more stuff off, maybe start sanding, maybe. So we're here at Donald's shop again, working on this project. About to finish taking out all the side steps, the bumper, the tire carrier, and we're gonna just keep on with this project. I only got like an hour or so, like 2 hours to work on this, so we'll see where we get with this today. Hopefully tomorrow I start sanding. So I'm gonna give you a pro tip. Make sure to have a place to put all the bolts and anything that comes off the Jeep, so that way when you're putting it back together, you're not like going crazy trying to find everything. Hey, what's up guys? So right now I am about to start sanding all this. I had a problem with this door. I had these steps put in here, and when I put them in, I remember that like the nut got really stuck, and so when I pulled it out, the little piece that screws into the back fell to the bottom. So I basically like had to take apart my whole door, and you can't really get back here. It was just hard. This part was very hard, but it was a mistake on my part, because I think I remember forcing these bolts in, which don't ever do that. But yeah, we got everything pretty much off. Now I'm about to start sanding everything, and I am going to use 150 sand with a grit sandpaper with a 5-inch orbital sander. So that's what's going on now, and yeah, so hopefully I get this all sanded, and then it'll be the taping, masking off everything, and then the easy part is the spraying. That's the easiest part. So we're still here at Donald's shop. If you guys need anything, make sure to check him out. He's in Jonesboro, and it's South Atlanta Off-Road Toys, and the phone number is 678-251-8454. Make sure to check him out. So the orbital sander I used was one from Harbor Freight. I think it was like $30, and then I had sponge sanders, which helped out with corners. So today's the day, finally. We're gonna start the taping and hopefully get this thing painted today. And again, we're using the Raptor bed liner, and we're here at Donald's shop. Make sure to go check them out. So with sanding, it's important to get every single corner, especially the rounded edges. Really, for the bed liner to adhere to it, you really need to get it sanded down, and then you want to blow it off and use like paint thinner, kind of make sure any oils and stuff. Hey, so we're pretty much at the painting part. I'm about to add this self-etching primer and adhesion promoter. This is for like metal parts And this is for like tough to reach places. Pretty much got everything like taped off. So this part's like the best part because you actually start seeing your work being completed. One pro tip I'll give you, the guns are like really a one-time use, but if you spray the paint thinner straight from the bottle, it'll clean the whole thing. Hey, what's up guys? So I'm dirty, and that's obvious, but we finished this. Here's what it looks like. I really love the way this came out. It was super clean, like, and it's just gonna make the Jeep look super aggressive. The hard part with this is really prep, sanding, and taking the time to really tape down everything. But besides that, the spraying part was the easiest part. And when I got it all assembled, I'll show you guys, and I'm really just happy with the way this came out. You'll see me on the trails soon. Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. Make sure to check out Donald's shop in Jonesboro, Georgia. His information will be in the description. And also make sure to check me out at my website, inca4x4.com, I'm building overland trailers. I'm selling rooftop tents. I'm going to also be having other overlanding equipment, and I host weekly trips to the North Georgia mountains. You can come out, we'll take you out camping. You don't need any gear, you don't need a car. I provide everything, the food. And yeah, make sure to follow me on Instagram at Inca4x4, Facebook Inca Jeep, and my website Inca4x4.com.